How to ask how. Unraveling the usage of how in questions. Hello language enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving deeper into the world of interrogative adverbs with a focus on the adverb how. We will particularly be exploring its usage for asking questions about manner or degree. So, sit back, relax, and let's navigate this journey together. In English grammar, how is one of our most versatile tools. It's an interrogative adverb that we use to begin many types of questions. Now, when we use how to inquire about manner, we're asking about the way something is done or happens. For example, in the question, "How did you paint this picture?" we're seeking information about the manner in which the painting was done. Similarly, how can also be used to ask about the degree or extent of something. For instance, "How old are you?" or "How cold is it outside?" Let's now focus on using how to ask about manner. In this context, how could be the key to questions like, "How do you cook this dish?" "How does she write so neatly?" "How did they win the match?" In each case, how is asking about the manner in which an action is performed. Now, on to using how for questions about degree or extent. In this situation, we may ask, "How hot is the coffee?" "How far is the park?" "How tall are you?" Again, how is the central interrogative, seeking to measure or quantify a particular aspect of something. An interesting thing to note is that how often works in combination with other words to form more specific questions. For example, "How well do you know Spanish?" Manner. "How quickly can you run a mile?" Degree. In these cases, how pairs with well and quickly to add depth to our questions. And that wraps up our deep dive into using the adverb how for asking questions about manner and degree. Hopefully, this video has illuminated how you can use this versatile word to enrich your questioning skills in English. Until next time, keep practicing and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination.